So guys, I'm going to show you today how I put headlights in my ECX Torment bumper. So I've got my ECX Torment bumper here, and what I used is a 5mm drill bit. You should have little holes pre-drilled in your ECX Torment bumper, but they're not quite big enough. So I used a 5mm drill bit, which is the same diameter as my LEDs. If you have smaller LEDs, then you can use a smaller drill bit. But I think 5mm is about the biggest you can go, because you can see it's right up near the edges. So once you've drilled those holes, like I already have, you're going to need 2 white LEDs. So I've got some here, and what I've done is I've connected them, the 2 wires, I've connected them through here, neatened it up with a bit of heat shrink, and in here I have a 150 ohm resistor, and what I've done is I've put the red, joined the 2 reds together, put that through the resistor, and then to the red of a receiver plug. So I want to power this off my receiver, and then the black will go straight through, it won't pass through the resistor, and go to the black of your receiver port. If you don't have any of these jumper cable plugs, you can use one from an old servo motor or something, and that's quite a good way of getting a port. You'll just use the red and black wires and take away the white one. So once you've soldered all of this up, I like to use heat shrink to just neaten it all up. So once you've done that, what you can do is you can push the LEDs into the bumper, and then just once they're all lined up and pushed in nice and tightly, you can fold it down. So fold the whole assembly until it folds neatly into how the shape you want it. So I'm folding it so both wires come out of the middle, and then what you can do is that's basically done, and this can plug into a spare port in your receiver. Any port will do, and that's a nice, easy, simple way of putting some nice lights into your bumper. I like this method because I do quite a lot of fast and jumps and going through mud with my cars. Sometimes brambles can drag out any other lights, so these are quite well protected and they'll last for a while with mud and water. They're not really waterproof, but I do use them in the water, and if you let them dry out properly, they should be fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Look out for Friday's video, should be coming. We should be having a jumping session at the skate park with my ECX Torment. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!